business clean and safe from COVID. Please feel free to download our safety checklist to how to reopen your business or stay open during the pandemic. Choose FastKlean for your antiviral cleanup. Our antiviral sanitization service helps ensure that any business meets all of the new health and safety regulations while also allowing you to remain on the greener and an eco-friendly side of things. We ensure your premises are absolutely safe for customers and employees. The pandemic and subsequent lockdowns gave rise to a number of new requirements that business leaders need to fulfill to ensure their customers and employees' safety. Clean and sanitary work environments are now an absolutely must for everyone in the UK. We are delighted to announce that our commercial cleaning company is qualified to take care of the entire process for all small and medium-sized businesses. The goal is to keep your premises safe and germs-free during the COVID-19 pandemic. FastKlean's new antiviral sanitization service is aimed at helping businesses meet the latest safety guidelines. Our company's antiviral sanitization procedures, explicitly designed to combat viral contamination, are the ideal solution for any small or medium-sized business owner in London and home countries. Your safety net to keep your business running during COVID-19 pandemic. We look forward to speaking with you soon and helping you in any way so you can continue operating in a safe and a healthy environment even in the heat of this pandemic. We love to clean, so get in touch with us. We're waiting for your call.